Chinamasa to supervise Manicaland's ED 2030 agenda ahead of ZANU PF conference. Mutare, the 13th of September 2025. ZANU PF Secretary for Legal Affairs, Patrick Chinamasa, has been named among senior officials tasked with overseeing preparations for the ruling party's 22nd National People's Conference, where Manicaland Province has formally revived the contentious ED 2030 agenda, a drive to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's leadership well beyond current constitutional limits. The development comes against a backdrop of renewed factional battles inside the party, with Mnangagwa loyalists pushing for tenure extensions, while allies of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga quietly resist the move. Succession tensions, dating back to the dramatic 2017 ouster of Robert Mugabe, once again dominate internal politics ahead of next month's gathering in Mutare. Manicaland's recent inter-district meetings produced two headline resolutions, pushing Mnangagwa's presidency beyond 2030 through constitutional amendments, adopting a hardline stance on drug and substance abuse. Provincial Chair Tawanda Mukadza said the resolutions reflect grassroots sentiment. The people desire that President Mnangagwa remains in office beyond 2030 and are calling for the necessary constitutional amendments to facilitate this. As a party, we must respect the will of the people, Mukadza said. A formal provincial position paper will be consolidated at an inter-district conference next week, supervised by Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet Martin Rushwaya and Patrick Chinamasa. Chinamasa's legal expertise is expected to guide potential constitutional reforms required to align the ED 2030 vision with the party's long-term strategy. Risks and tensions. While loyalists frame the agenda as a people's demand, insiders warn it risks deepening party divisions and blocking succession pathways. Analysts say the move reflects a calculated attempt to neutralize Chiwenga's camp, which remains uneasy with indefinite extensions of Mnangagwa's rule. Alongside the succession debate, Manicaland leaders also prioritized the fight against drug abuse, demanding stiffer penalties and investigations into alleged complicity by security and political elites in fueling the scourge. The National People's Conference, set for October 13th, 18 at Mutare Polytechnic, is expected to host 4,000 delegates and raise $5 million in funding. Preparations include accommodation upgrades, catering arrangements, and controlled SME trading zones for local businesses. But beyond the logistics, the political weight of the event is clear. Manicaland's embrace of ED 2030, under the guidance of figures like Chinamasa, is a significant intervention in the unresolved succession debate, one likely to shape both the tone and outcomes of the Mutare Conference.